Hi guys, my name is Egil and you are here to develop Android apps. So today in this video we are going to create our first Android project. So to get started, let's open our Android Studio. And we all know that Android Studio is a slightly heavy software, so it's gonna take a few seconds to load it. And now when our Android Studio is ready, just click on New Project. You can see so many different kinds of activities, but at the beginning we are going to use our empty activity from here and click on Next, and you can rename your project from here ACC. You can give any name as your wish. This is the area where you can set your package name. Package name means a unique name to your Android app. That means if you are having a website and its URL is like acctutorials.com, then you can write your package name as com.acctutorials. Then your app name, like that. It must be unique from every other apps. And here you can choose a save location. So my location is in the default C drive, under users, under studio, under Android Studio projects, under ACC tutorials. After that, you have two options over here. You can choose KOTLIN from here because we are gonna learn KOTLIN. After that, you have an option to choose the minimum SDK. So click on it, and there are several options in front of us. We are getting options from Android 4.1 to Android 10. We are going to choose Android 5 because from Android 5 our app is gonna support. So here you can see your app will run on approximately 94.1% of devices. After filling all the details, you can click on Finish, and it's gonna take few minutes. So sit back and wait for it to complete the whole process, and let Android Studio creates all the development environment for us. So let's sit back and wait. So our Android Studio is now ready for development. So you can see two options over here. One is for activity_main.xml and one is main_activity.kt. KT is the extension for Kotlin file, and this is the Kotlin file which we are getting in the first view itself. And this is the back area where we write Kotlin codes, and here we are getting several folders, Java, resources, like that. Under layout we are getting our XML files. So let us firstly close these two, and here are several tools. We can collapse all the things, and let's open app, go to Java. This is your package name folder, expand it. You can see your main_activity.kt file here. Just double click to open the Kotlin file. After that, go to your resource file, go to layout, and you can see your activity main.xml. Double click on it to see your front-end designing area. Here is it. So I'm going to switch the default resolution of my application, the last one, pixel 4XL. Over here to zoom out our default screen, so you can see my screens over here. And here I'm going to minimize this attribute window. So this is our designing view, and in the top you can see three options over here. One is code, and one is split, one is design. That means you can design your front end in two ways. One way is from this palette, you can drag and drop several buttons and like the things, see. And in the split screen you can see the same XML code of your UI in this area, and when we go to your code section you can only see the coding part. After that, we usually used to develop our front end in the split mode because it gives us the more efficiency to create our front end. So let me collapse it, and I am just gonna remove this button from here. And now your Android Studio is ready. Now your first project is being created. After that, when your app is ready to test, you can go over here. Currently it's showing no devices. because I am not installed any kind of emulator or Android virtual devices over here. I'm gonna use my Android smartphone itself to test my apps in debug mode. So in the next video, we are going to create our first Android application. We will run it directly into our Android device. So see you guys in the next video.